Next topic is harmonic functions. A real valued function u of xy of two variables x and y is said to be harmonic in a given domain if it satisfies the Laplace's equation dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0, which is equal to, that is uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Next question is, show that u equal to half log x square plus y square is harmonic. We have to find ux, which is dou u by dou x, that is partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is equal to 1 by 2. Derivative of log is 1 by x square plus y square. Derivative of log x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square into 2x, which is equal to x by x square plus y square. Then uy is partial derivative of u with respect to y, which is dou u by dou y, which is equal to 1 by 2. For log it will be 1 by x square plus y square into 2y, which is equal to y by x square plus y square. Now we have to find uxx. Uxx is dou square u by dou x square, which is the partial derivative of ux with respect to x. Here we need quotient rule, which is denominator x square plus y square into derivative of numerator with respect to x, which is equal to 1, minus numerator into derivative of denominator with respect to x, which is 2x, by denominator square, x square plus y square the whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x square by x square plus y square the whole square, which is equal to y square minus x square by x square plus y square the whole square. Now we have to find uyy. Uyy is dou square u by dou y square, which is the partial derivative of uy with respect to y. Here with respect to y, we need quotient rule, which is denominator x square plus y square into derivative of numerator with respect to y, which is 1, minus numerator y into derivative of denominator with respect to y, which is 2y, by denominator square, which is equal to x square plus y square minus 2y square by x square plus y square the whole square. Here it is x square minus y square by x square plus y square the whole square. Now we have to add this uxx and uyy. Uxx plus uyy, which is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square the whole square plus y square minus x square by x square plus y square the whole square. Here the denominators are the same. Therefore, the denominator will be x square plus y square the whole square. Adding the numerators, we get x square minus y square plus y square minus x square. X square will be get cancelled. Y square will be get cancelled. We get the answer as 0. We get as uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Therefore, u is harmonic. U is harmonic. Next, harmonic conjugate. When f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic function, then u and v are harmonic functions. If f of z equal to u plus iv is an analytic function, then u and v are harmonic functions. Here u is said to be the harmonic conjugate of v and v is said to be the harmonic conjugate of u. Therefore, we have to find the harmonic conjugate by using this formula. Prove that u equal to x square minus y square minus y is harmonic and find its harmonic conjugate. First, we have to show that u is harmonic. For this, we have to find ux, uy, uxx and uyy. U is given. Therefore, ux is dou u by dou x, which is partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is 2x. Then uy. Uy is dou u by dou y, which is partial derivative of u with respect to y, which is minus 2y minus 1. Now we have to find uxx. Uxx is partial derivative of ux again with respect to x, which is equal to 2. Then uyy, partial derivative of uy with respect to y, that is minus 2. Then adding uxx plus uyy, we get as 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, u is harmonic. Then we have to find the harmonic conjugate. Harmonic conjugate of u is v. For finding v, since u is harmonic, this function should be an analytic function. Therefore, it must satisfy the CR equations. The CR equations are ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. It must satisfy the CR equations. That is, we know only ux and uy. Therefore, vy is ux. Ux is 2x. Also, vx is minus uy. Minus of uy is minus 2y minus 1, that is 2y minus 1. From this, we have to find v by integrating both sides with respect to y. That is, v equal to integral of 2x with respect to y. Therefore, we get as 2 into integral of x with respect to y. Therefore, 2xy plus a constant. It should be phi of x. By integrating with respect to y, the constant will be a function of x. Therefore, plus phi of x. Then, here, v should be obtained by integrating with respect to x. 2y minus 1 with respect to x, which is equal to 2xy minus x plus another constant, which will be phi of y. By integrating with respect to x, the constant will be a function of y, that is phi of y. Then by comparing these two v, we obtain the final harmonic conjugate v. That should be v equal to, from these two, here 2xy is the common factor. Therefore, we should write 2xy one time. 2xy plus, then minus x is here. Therefore, write minus x plus, then a constant plus c, which is the harmonic conjugate v. V equal to 2xy minus x plus c. By combining both these, we write here 2xy, therefore write 2xy one time, then a minus x is here, therefore minus x right here, plus a constant c, which should be the harmonic conjugate of u, which is v equal to 2xy minus x plus c. Here one error occurred. Vx equal to minus uy, which should be 2y plus 1. Therefore 2y plus 1. Therefore 2xy plus x. Therefore here it is plus x. Therefore the harmonic conjugate is v equal to 2xy plus x plus c, which is the answer of our question. Next question is, prove that the function u equal to this is harmonic and hence find harmonic conjugate. First is given as u equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3y. Here we have to prove that u is a harmonic. For this we have to find ux, then uy, then uxx and uyy. Ux is partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is 2x minus 2y minus 2. Then uxx, which is partial derivative of ux again with respect to x, which will be 2. Now we have to find the uy. Uy is partial derivative of u with respect to y, which will be minus 2y minus 2x plus 3. Now we have to write uyy. Uyy is partial derivative of uy with respect to y, which will be minus 2. Now uxx plus uyy, which will be 2 minus 2 equal to 0, which means that u is a harmonic function. U is a harmonic function. Therefore, we should satisfy the CR equations. The CR equations are ux equal to vy and bx equal to minus uy. Now we have to find the harmonic conjugate. The harmonic conjugate of u is v. But we know only ux and uy. Therefore, by CR equations we can write vx and vy. Here vy is ux. Vy is ux. Ux is 2x minus 2y minus 2. From this we have to find v by integrating with respect to y. Here v is integrate 2x minus 2y minus 2 with respect to y dy, which we get as v equal to 2xy minus 2y square by 2 minus 2y plus a constant. The constant must be a function of x, that is phi of x. Here v equal to 2xy minus y square minus 2y plus phi of x. From the CR equations, vx equal to minus uy. Vx equal to minus uy. Therefore, vx is minus of uy, which is 2y plus 2x minus 3. From here also, we have to find a v by integrating with respect to x. Therefore, v is integral of 2y plus 2x minus 3 with respect to x. Therefore, we get as 2xy plus 2x square by 2 minus 3x. Which is 2xy plus x square minus 3x plus a constant of integration. which is phi of y plus phi of y. Then by comparing these two equations, we have to obtain the final harmonic conjugate, which is V. This is taken as equation number 1 and this is taken as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have to write V as here 2xy, here also 2xy. Therefore, we have to write 2xy one time. 2xy. Now here x square. Here no x square. Therefore, write x square. Then minus 3x is here only. Write minus 3x. Then minus y square is here only. Minus y square. Minus 2y. Plus a constant which is c. C is the constant of integration. This is the harmonic conjugate of u, which is V equal to 2xy plus x square minus y square minus 3x minus 2y plus c, which is the final result. Next question is, show that the function u equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus y can be the real part of an analytic function and find the corresponding imaginary part. Here u is given. U equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus y. First we have to prove that this u is harmonic. Then we have to say that this u can be write as the real part of an analytic function. Then we have to find the corresponding imaginary part. U is given. Here ux is dou u by dou x, which is 3x square minus 3y square. Then uxx is 6x. Then uy, which is dou u by dou y, which is equal to minus 6xy plus 1. Then uyy, which is equal to minus 6x. Now uxx plus uyy, which is 6x minus 6x equal to 0. Therefore, u is said to be harmonic. Therefore, u is said to be harmonic. Therefore, we have to write u can be written as the real part of an analytic function. Therefore, u can be the real part of an analytic function. Then by CR equations, ux equal to vy and dx equal to minus uy. Here u only is given. From u we have to find ux and uy. Then by using CR equations we have to find vx and vy. Here vy is ux. Ux is given. Ux is 3x square minus 3y square. 3x square minus 3y square. Then v is integral of this with respect to y, which is equal to which is equal to 3x square by minus 3 y cube by 3 plus a constant which should be I of x. That is b equal to 3x square by minus y cube plus phi of x. Then another CR equation is bx equal to minus uy. Bx equal to minus uy, which is uy is given. Therefore, vx is minus of uy, which should be 6xy minus 1. From here we have to find v by integrating with respect to x. 6xy minus 1 with respect to x. Then v equal to 6x square by 2y minus x plus a constant which should be phi of y, that is 3x square by minus x plus phi of y. Here we obtained 2v. Write this as equation number 1 and write this as equation number 2. From these two equations, from equation 1 and 2, by combining both these solutions, we write the final result, which is harmonic conjugate v. Harmonic conjugate v is the imaginary part. V equal to, here, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. By comparing these two results, we write the final result v as, here 3x square y is, they write 3x square y. Then minus y cube is here. Minus y cube. Here minus x is here. Write minus x. Plus a constant of integration c, which is the final result. Here we get the harmonic conjugate of u as v equal to 3x square y minus y cube minus x plus c, which is the imaginary part. Okay, we get the answer. Next question is, find the value of a so that u equal to xy plus ax square minus y square is harmonic. Find the harmonic conjugate. Here first we have to prove that. Here u is given. U is xy plus ax square minus y square. Given that it is harmonic, so we have to find the value of a. Ux is partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is y plus 2ax. Then uxx, which is 2a. Now uy, partial derivative of u with respect to y, which is uy is x minus 2y. Then uyy minus 2. Given that u is harmonic, given that u is harmonic, therefore uxx plus uyy equal to 0. This uxx is 2a, uyy is minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, 2a equal to 2, a equal to 1. We get the value of a. Now, u can be written as u equal to xy plus a is 1. Therefore, plus x square minus y square. This is u. Now, ux is y plus 2x. uy is x minus 2y. Since it is harmonic, it should satisfy CR equations. CR equations are ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. Therefore, we have to write vy and vx. Vy is ux, which is equal to y plus 2x. From this, we have to find v by integrating this with respect to y, which is equal to y square by 2 plus 2xy plus a constant phi of x. Write as equation number 1. Then by CR equations it is given that Vx equal to minus uy. Vx equal to minus uy, which is Vx is minus x plus 2y, that is 2y minus x. Then we have to find v from this by integrating with respect to x, that is integral of 2y minus x with respect to dx, which is equal to 2xy minus x square by 2 plus a constant phi of y. Write it as equation number 2. By combining both these equations, we have to write the final result as v equal to here 2xy is here, therefore write 2xy one time, then y square by 2 plus y square by 2, then minus x square by 2, then plus a constant of integration which is c, which is the answer, that is v equal to 2xy plus y square by 2 minus x square by 2 plus c, which is the answer, which is the harmonic conjugate of u. We get the result as v. Okay, thank you.